Hi, my name is Peter. I am the creator of the Roads Must Roll. It's a new add-on for Blender that allows you to create roads, bridges and intersections in a procedural way. I've been working on it for about 2 years. I am a 3D artist based in Belgium, and roads and bridges play an important role in many of the scenes I create. When I wanted to make a road or a bridge in the past, it was not uncommon for me to spend an entire day on a single curve. This is for a part because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, but still, it took a really long time. And then one happy day, I installed Blender for the first time, and I discovered geometry nodes. So I started using geometry nodes to create my roads, and it was a revelation. So instead of spending a full day on a single piece of road, I can now create it in literally a few minutes. This is a tool that I literally dreamed of having for a long time. Let me first give you a quick overview of the add-on. The central object is a curve with a geometry nodes modifier applied to it. This modifier has about 150 different settings that you can configure. They are available in the modifier panel. You can change it either to a regular road or to a bridge. The choice is yours. Additionally, I have created a range of procedural props. And to make your life even more easy, I have also made a number of pre-composed intersections. Finally, there are currently 6 cars included. More to come. This makes the Roads Must Roll suitable for 3D visualization, 3D illustration, and 3D animation and film. I will give you a quick overview of the working method I used in creating the Roads Must Roll. 3D models, which are based on the real world, simply look way better. If you place a car on a road with unrealistic dimensions, viewers will immediately see that something is off. That's why I conducted extensive research into how roads look in the real world and what dimensions they have. As you can see, I sometimes took measurements myself. And another great resource were official documents and guidelines for roads. Alright, let's have a look at the highlights of the main road modifier. There are 9 different options for the number of lanes a road can have. Roads can also be adjusted in height while everything on the road stays correctly aligned. With one switch, you can convert everything to the night version, so the lights on the lampposts and the cars turn on. One of the ways in which the Roads Must Roll is unique is that you have the possibility to add bicycle lanes, both on the ground and on the bridge. You can choose from 6 different types of parking lanes, available in 2 sizes. If you want, you can use it to create a parking lot as well, as you can see here. You have the options to place trees on the side or in the middle strip of the road. The cars can be animated per curve. Things like speed, spacing, and density can be adjusted. Please note, this is not a full simulation. For example, cars cannot react to the splitting of an intersection or to stoplights. Maybe this is something that will come later. The white lines on the asphalt can be manipulated individually. I've also added the option for a yellow line for our friends in the USA. You can insert crosswalks, bike lanes, and green strips in different ways. I created some performance options for people who have less powerful computers or in case you have a lot of geometry in your scene. But what if you want to personalize your road even more? Or you want to create your own intersection? I got you covered. I've created multiple procedural props to complement the road. All their properties can be changed in the modifier panel. I pick a few examples. A bicycle bridge, which is also based on a curve. Road markings with options such as arrows, icons, words, and numbers. Overhead signs with an adjustable width and options for different types of panels. Separate bicycle lanes, sidewalks, and green strips. Do you want to quickly import a traffic junction for your scene? Or do you want to use an existing traffic junction as a starting point for your own creation? I got you covered. Currently, I have prepared 9 different pre-made traffic junctions that can be directly imported. This way, it is even easier for you to quickly achieve a result. I have modeled 6 cars, and yes, they are included in the roads must roll. Each car has around 30 to 40,000 triangles, so that they don't make the scene too heavy. You can also import them separately as props. Their properties can be changed in the Modifier panel. Of course, you can also use your own collection of 3D cars. I know from personal experience that drawing roads in 3D can take an enormous amount of time. And I believe that this add-on can help you to spend more time on the things that you like, the creative part, and less time on the technical details. I have many different ideas about cool new features that I could add to the roads must roll, like for example new types of trees or hedges. But I'm actually most curious about what you would like to see in the roads must roll. So that's why I have created a poll, the link is in the description, with a multiple choice question. And there is more. I have decided to add the most requested feature to the add-on. Since the add-on is new, I will start selling it at a lower price. And then I will gradually increase it. In any case, if you are one of the first, you can buy it at a lower price. The revenue I gain from this will be used to buy myself more time to improve and expand the add-on. You will find links below in the description where you can buy the add-on. And of course, a percentage will go to the Blender Foundation. If you want to check out the final rendered images, you can do that at theroadsmustroll.com. And I'm really excited to see what you create with this. So please feel free to send me your results. Everyone knows that the YouTube algorithms can be a bit unpredictable sometimes. It can be very hard to stand out amidst the flood of videos that is posted every day. So if you appreciate what I'm doing and you would like to see more of it, please push that oval-shaped button below the video. That would be much appreciated. Thank you and see you soon.